Hey guys, this is Jeff Jones. I am from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Thank you guys for tuning into this second video of the day. And once again, Happy New Year. We're 12 days in, and I wish you guys the best. In this video, we're going to talk about one of my subscribers asked the question, what's the difference between MYTVONLINE 2 and MYTVONLINE 3 on Formuler devices? So we're going to take a really quick look at it and some of the differences. If this is your first time on the Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you so much for being here. Go ahead and click the like button and hit the notification bell. So if you like what you hear, we can continue to bring you great content. MYTVONLINE 2 and MYTVONLINE 3 are the application that Formuler has used on their devices. The latest buzz is about the Z11 Pro Max, which uses MYTVONLINE 3. Right now, you're looking at my GTV. This is the GTV, the Formuler GTV, which was the big dog on campus, or the big guy on campus up until here recently. But MYTVONLINE 2 is on almost all of the devices right now, other than the newest one that they brought out, the Z11 Pro Max. So this device is more than just specs, because I have some or one or two subscribers wanting me to do a comparison video. Can you compare the GTV to the Z11 Pro Max? And my answer is there is no comparison. The boxes are going to be the boxes. One is 4 GB hard drive, 32 GB ROM. The GTV is 2 GB hard drive, 16 GB ROM. Plenty of memory, but I can game on the GTV just like I can do on the Z11 Pro Max. What it boils down to are preferences, not specs. Because I have some customers that get the Z10 SE and it only has 4 GB hard drive and they love it. So let's not become spec heads and get frozen on not doing anything. Find the device that fits your lifestyle and purchase it. That's me on my soapbox. So let's take a look at MYTVONLINE 2 really quick. And I'm going to go here. Then what I'm going to do is hit this. And I'm going to go down to connections. And these are portals. These are portals that we have named. These are portals that you can find. These are portals that you control. In other words, this device is made for streamers. MYTVONLINE 2, this is how you would switch between the portals. You'd notice that one of the portals do say Padres suck. Yes, I'm a Dodger fan, so the Padres are bad. I'm just kidding. But basically, these are different, portals that you create as a consumer, and you can name them for whatever you want. Now, I am in my garage or my lab. My dog is a Chihuahua. She barks at everything. She'll bark at a gopher. She'll bark at an ant. She is going to bark. So this is one of the main differences on connectivity. Not that these portals are bad, but MYTVONLINE 2, this is one of the main things they promote are the different portals amongst other things. When I go back to the home page, this is a Google certified box on the GTV. The GTV, if you go down the list here, everything that is connected to my Google email that I've allowed is on this box, even my Spotify. So the GTV is a Google experience completely. But we're talking about MYTVONLINE 2, and that's exactly what this is. And it has to do with the portals. When you get over to MYTVONLINE 3, there's only one portal, MyTV Online 3. Let's take a look at that right now. All right, so let's take a look at MyTV Online 3. As you can see, I am now on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. You like my little background, that money in the hand with the fire? I think that is super dope. Okay, I'm nerding out on how this box allows you to really personalize your device. And I really love the way that Formuler allows that to happen, and I'm really excited about that. So MyTV Online 3 is the game-changing application from Formuler. It allows the end user to having all of one, like let's say I had 6 portals there. Now I have everything into MyTV Online 3. Every single thing that is in MyTV Online 2 is now in MyTV Online 3, but I don't have to go to connections. So let me explain. So I'm going to go to MyTV Online 3. I'm going to go ahead and open it up really quick. Just waiting for it to connect. I'm in AccuWeather, so you can see now I'm in AccuWeather that there's no connections. The other one had connections. I have settings here. I have notifications if I want that. I have a content manager, which is fine. If I click on that, you'll see the content sources. If I clicked on this, all of the sources that a person that would get this box, all the sources that are available that they want to put in here would be right there. If I want to manage the groups, manage the favorites, I can do that. I also did the video on data sync, on how you can, refresh your electronic programming guide and all the content on your device. But the bottom line is it's all in one. Everything that's here is all in one. I mean, even the notifications, when you click on that, it lets you know when different content is arrived and all of that. You'll see that my everything there is like Purple Rain, Hulk Smash, Orange, Blue, Red Wine. Those are the things that I have named it. That's personalization for me. So again, when you have that, even with the radio, I mean, everything is right here for any person to have. If I want to go back out, it's all right there. Radio, series, settings, everything is there. But the difference is it's an all-in-one application versus having it in different silos, if you will. And that's the difference, one of the main differences, other than the memory on the device, internal storage, and the ROM on the device. There's some small specs, but everything else is the same, except MyTV Online 3 is only on the Z11 Pro Max. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. Those are the differences between MyTV Online 2 and MyTV Online 3. Hey, don't keep us a secret. Thank you so much for putting up with us and me as we go through this. I am super grateful. I'm going to put in a new 800 number. I'm transporting the number. I got a new vendor. I'm really excited about my Ring Central account. It'll give us a chance to, we're doing a lot of one-on-one supporting and all of that. If you're interested in getting a great device, great support services, internet streaming services, we would love to work with you. If you have some referrals, we reward referrals, and we will change the way that you should watch TV. Go ahead and text us or give us a call. Talk to us. Let us know what you're looking for, and we will recommend, based on price and value, some of the best boxes out there so you can enjoy having your a dent in your entertainment bill. My name is Jeff, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.